Hello, welcome. This tutorial is going to show you how I created these updo wigs using two different methods or materials. So for the one on your left hand side, I used braiding hair to create that elegant updo, but it's a wig so you can take it off and rest. Then on your right hand, I used a kinky hair extension. So for the right hand side, that hair was inspired by Madueke, and the one on the left was inspired by Ivonmelda, all on YouTube. So Adana's updo needed this packing with lines just like this, so I used it for the two tutorials. But if you can just pack your hair up into one bun, then you're fine. It's still going to look nice, but I feel this one is nicer. So this was how I prepped my hair, and in the subsequent clips you're going to see how I was making both of them side by side, just to save time and help you make up your mind really quick on which one to use. For the left hand side, please don't use this braiding hair extension. I use this more silky than like the expression braiding hair, and it worked against me. So just use a regular braiding hair, not any silky fancy one, because it's going to make the hair slide all over. If you want to watch like the detailed tutorials of each of these individually, then the link will be in the description bar, or check my main channel Diaries, and you will see each of these tutorial individually with me explaining step by step what I did, how I did it, the challenges I came across, what I would do different, and just like all the good